If you try to run the System File Checker or SFC Scan Now command, and you get the error, Windows Resource Protection could not start the repair service. Then this means that the Trusted Installer service is disabled. So, in this tutorial we'll teach you how to re-enable it so you can run the System File Checker again. First, open your Start menu. Type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Now type the following command. scconfig trusted installer start equals auto. Press the Enter key. Now type the SFC command. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.